More water, more. But these things can live forever. Do it, Josh.
These things don't survive.
Stand there, please. Stand there. Okay, stand by him. Yo, he's beautiful. Put some water in his mouth.
Beautiful. That's beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful.
Okay, Josh.
Wake up quickly, eh?
Yo.
There we go, man. Are you surviving? Don't dig a hole.
So that was the para.
Stand here, Josh.
Dominique, man. I kept picking up.
Please, Josh, please. You won't regret it, Josh.
I know I won't.
Check how many hooks. You must take the hooks out of his mouth. There's
Only one. I took it out.
No. Okay, Joshy, go, go. Look at this, father.
I'm scared, yeah.
Your son got this.
Fish you haven't caught. Yeah. It all paid off.
Josh, just do it.
Put your hand inside like that. Yeah.
No, put your hand there.
No, this is better. You must grab it there like that.
Okay.
It's just your hand.
Do what he did.
Haven't got teeth. Yeah, just grab
This
it.
way.
Other way, other way. Oh my God, he hasn't got Put your fingers inside.
Put your fingers inside there, Josh. There, quickly do it.
Do that.
Father, you got to pick it up.
Put your hand in there. There we go. There we go. Yes. Woo! Josh, stand there. Joshua.